Good morning, everybody. So I am in, oh, I got a bad hair day going on here. I am in St. George, Utah with a bunch of other demonstrators. You can see everybody behind me stamping. Hello, hello. And I want to show you guys some of the beautiful projects that some of the gals were generous enough to make and have here on display. But I will not be on Sunday for Sunday Craft by Noon with Dawn because I'll be heading back home from St. George. So I thought I would pop on and say hello. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera if I can figure this out. I'm always terrible with this. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of projects that we made. Say hi to Bonnie. Bonnie.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, they're missing out, aren't they? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you some beautiful projects. This is Fresh as a Daisy. Seasons of, oh my gosh, I forgot the name of that one. But anyway, Little Monkey. And, oh, I forgot the name of this one too. So you guys help me out as you see them. I thought this was really cute on a rule. And then this really caught my eye. So this slides out. Isn't that cute? And they made the bird into an angry bird. I love that. It makes me smile. And this, of course, is super cute. Just a little notepad of paper. And this cute little box here. Isn't that sweet? I love it. Just love it. Me too. Okay, and then we're going to come over here. Say hi, guys. You're live.
Maybe one day I will.
Hi, wave. Yay!
Having fun.
I'm going to show you guys these. Yeah, you guys are missing out.
Okay, we'll chat later.
Okay,
it was nice talking with you.
You got distracted.
I don't want to dominate your time.
No, not at all.
You don't want to get me started. I'll fuck your ear off.
Well, I could stand here, which I was, indefinitely.
And I'll show you these over here real quick.
All right, let me display.
Oh, there you go. Thanks, Lisa.
Yes, absolutely.
These are so adorable. This I really like. Show you this one here, and then there's this one. I love this DSP. It's beautiful. Oops, I just knocked a card down. Fun fold. And Fresh as a Daisy. And then this is so cool. It's a gift card holder. But this is brand new designer series paper that will be available on July the 6th. All right, we're going to swing over here. Here's another table. And I forgot who made this board, but I just thought it was really clever. And I wanted to show you guys the projects on the board because they're just super cute. If you are here live with me, go ahead and say hi so I know that you're here. I love the way she did this. I need to do mine. I haven't put together the samples yet. I thought these were really cute. So cute. And then there's that one there. I'm going to show you the other board, and then we're going to get into some brand new stuff. Okay. So there's the little monkey. Love the pizza guy. Hopefully I'm not shaking too much. This is super cute. Gone fishing. Love that. And this is Inked and Tile. That's one of my favorite sets. I love it. And then here's some great ideas for the guys. And then I wanted to show you guys these cards. This is going to be some product that will come out as online exclusives on July the 6th. So I wanted to give you some sneak peeks. I've taken pictures of these as well, so I'll post those as well sometime soon-ish. Let's see here. Get these so you can see them. There we go. The DSP is so pretty, it just does the work for you. But look at this one. Love that. And those snowflakes are something that will be new. They're going to come in white, gold, and bronze, I believe. This is so pretty. I love it. It's just designer series paper with stamp on there. Horse and Sleigh, I believe, is the name of the bundle. Isn't that pretty? Forgive the lighting, it's a little weird in here, but I'm trying not to get any shadows. But anyway, that is brand new product that will be coming out, online exclusives, on July the 6th, along with that really cool truck punch. And then I'm going to go ahead and pan out here so you guys can see all the action going on. There's Ronda over there.
Oh, the pearl.
And we do have stamping because when we're at stamping events with Ronda, she always has us stamping. So I'll show you what we're working on. We're using a kit, and then she does some alternate projects for us that are really super cute. So let's go over here. I'm live, guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Woo.
Projects we didn't have to cut for.
Yay! We love that, right? Action going on. I'm gonna come over to this fun table. So I'm live, guys. I'm gonna come over here so you can wave to everybody. Say hello. Hello. And come over this direction.
Jeez. I got green glue on me and everything.
All right, guys. Say hi. You're live.
Hi,
Woo, you're famous. And over at this table. So I'm live, guys. Go ahead and wave. Say hi.
Hey, how are you?
Take off my red
Here it
glasses.
is.
Yay. Guys. There's Natalie. She's studying today. All right. Great. Well, thanks again for popping on. Hi, Kristen. How are you? Good to see you. So this is what we're doing today. We're going to be swapping a little bit. And I should be stamping, but I'm not. I'm too busy doing everything else at the time. Anyway, I hope you guys are going to have a great day. And what is today? Today's Friday, so happy weekend. And once again, I won't be on tomorrow night, or tomorrow afternoon, because I'll be heading back home on Sunday. So I will see you next week live. So I thought I would pop on and do a quick live with you right now. All right, guys, make it a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.